Very good. I'm glad you stopped behind the line.
Thanks. I'm not sure what to do at signal lights sometimes.
There's a lot to watch for. Here are the basics. It's legal to enter an intersection on a green or yellow light. Yellow simply warns you that the light is about to turn red. When you see the light turn yellow, stop if there's enough time to do so safely. It's not legal to enter the intersection after the light turns red. When the light turns green, cross traffic that entered on a yellow light may still be in the intersection. Wait until any vehicles or pedestrians are out of the way before you proceed. Besides signal lights, there are turn arrows. Green arrows indicate a protected turn. That means other traffic stops for you. After checking that cross traffic and pedestrians have cleared the intersection, you can turn when the light is green. If there is no arrow, obey the signal light and wait for oncoming traffic to clear before proceeding. If you have a green arrow on a right turn, again, you have the right-of-way. You do not need to stop if the intersection is clear and it is safe to turn, even if the lights for the through direction are red. At most intersections, you can make a right turn on a red light after making a complete stop. Stop behind the line first, then slowly pull ahead to check for traffic. This is also true for multiple lane right turns. Be sure to remain in the same lane you start from. Sometimes you cannot turn right on a red light. Whenever there's a sign or a red turn arrow, wait for a green light before turning right. A few other things you should know about signal lights. Flashing yellow lights means slow down but don't stop. Watch for cars on either side and enter cautiously. Flashing red lights or no lights at all, as in a power outage, are the same as a stop sign controlled intersection. Be sure you come to a complete stop and follow the same right-of-way rules. In congested traffic, make sure you can get all the way through the intersection before entering. You can get a ticket if you block traffic in an intersection after the light in your direction turns red.